guys, what's up? It's Bella and me. Bella and me? Hey guys, what's up? Shit. Hey guys, it's Bella Marie, and today I'm going to be doing a thrifting video with me. So right now I have a concussion. I'm like dying. So this will be fun. I haven't been out of the house because I stayed home from school today. So yeah, I just wanted to go to Goodwill because I need to get outside. Because I don't feel well. But like it's worse outside, but I'm still gonna send it.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Yeah. So let's go. Sarah, let's make a cute video. Stop the drug. Y'all need to step up your game and stop doing drugs. Don't do them. Great advice. I'm definitely gonna be getting this t-shirt. So I snapped these really cute jeans. So they're a little big, but they're good. There you go. Cute. I got some clothing and I'm pretty happy about it. It's a little bumblebee.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l love you, I love you, I love you.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video because I forgot to do an outro. So yeah.